class, I'm just putting my electrolytes into my water bottle. It's really cute here. I've not been here before.
Slow up. Slow up. 2 more. I'll just do it for you. Pass out, relax slowly down. Super job. Yeah, I know. Until heating up. Sweaty eyeballs, solid one. Right.
Level up your skincare routine with Laneige. I actually was looking for this last night because I had this, but I couldn't find it anywhere. How does this work? Is it a pump? No. Okay. Oh, I'm confused. Am I stupid? I was actually going to try and get this because Sephora is opening in Oxford in like 2 weeks, and I've seen so many people talking about this like milky toner. I can't get over the camera quality of the iPhone 16. I don't know what this looks like to you, but I'm filming front camera right now. It might look really bad when I upload it to YouTube, but with my eyes right now, it looks really, really good. And this is their Water Bank Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I used this last night before bed. This is the Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. Because my skin is like suffering in this cold weather, like because the weather drops so quickly, my skin is just like, oh my god. Ooh, I love those. If you like lightweight skincare that just feel, oh, my hair's falling out. If you like lightweight skincare that just feels really, really nice. I mean, look, glass skin. Something from Prada. This is very exciting. Ooh, what is she? Introducing Prada The Hand, a lightweight yet ultra caring triple care treatment for skin, cuticles and nails. That is beautiful.
Birthday baseball.
Well, you kind of like scrape it into the middle instead of like stir it around like this. You like, does that make sense? Scrape it across. Yeah, to make sure, because when the eggs cook, they'll touch the bottom and then you have to peel it like off the bottom. You ready?
How do I use this? Because I've never used one.
Oh, you like, I would probably hold it like, if your hands are big enough, I'd probably grip it like that. Or you can hold it on the top.
That's better.
Yeah, and then you just like rub it up and down. That's it, perfect. Yeah, quite a lot of cheese. And then just give that a really good stir. It's brownie time and 2 eggs. 4. Okay, do you want to crack the eggs in first and then make sure there's no shell, and I'll check the butter weight and melt it.
Where's the butter?
Melt it here.
Okay.
Fold it all in.
Oh yeah.
Like fold all that powder in so it gets all mixed in. Plop it all into the middle of the bowl and then we'll like spread it out evenly, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're gonna land this thing, or we're gonna die trying.
very specific. Yep.
I bet it will.
I'm really good at bowling.
Yeah.
You see that?
You're still winning anyway. I got 0.
Strike. No. It'll roll probably. Whoa.
Now it is going this way.
Yeah, the wind just keeps blowing. Go on then.
I like this one here. If I can get it out.
If you like bend it like that, either side, hold the tray and twist
The
it.
TV licence is £174, so I can't pay it.
Okay, I'll do it in a second. And show Lou as well, she'll like that. It looks like an eyeball. Can I show Lou? Look at these that we made.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah, give that a little twist round. Yeah, that looks good. And then pop I'll show you just quickly. If you just pop the glass like that and then spin it all the way around. So just keep twisting that round and the sugar will stick. Just keep the glass touching the bottom and just spin it in the pile of the things. Yeah, looks really good. Let's see. Beautiful. Then put your ice cubes in. Spooky, spooky, spooky. You see it now? The sparkles?
Oh yeah, I can now, yeah.
That's why I have the pills here.
Come here, Charlie.
The whole reason I have the pills.
Is it me or we just driving to a party city?
More length in your body every time you send that long. For 7 and 6, really squeezing the heels to their magic right together with the magnet. You cannot separate.
Good morning. Look at my skin, it's glowing. I'm going to link these Laneige products below because I've been using them, I've been using them since I got them. We're going into town today to get Chuck some new clothes and some new shoes if we can find any. I'm thinking we might need to buy the shoes online, but we might have a look in store and just see what they've got. Because my mum sent him out and was like, oh, he hasn't got that much stuff. He's had a growth spurt, so we need to go get him some bits. You know, I've lived here for 5 years now and I'm still like, oh my god, just can't believe I live here. It's beautiful. A lot of that was filmed around here.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah. Watch your fingers on that part.
We just need to sort stuff on Thursday, really. I just want to...
I think the sound of the pumpkins is scaring him. He's pretty cute. And Dinner's ready.
No, not you.
Like that?
You're not a little person.
That bottom bit's done now. Yeah, that top bit isn't done. Can I do it?
Mhm.
Yeah, you can hear it.
Right.
You through now?
All still the same. 너의 발자국 따라